I'm really just using these as my outfit at this point. It's giving Valentine. I don't know how this looks, but it tastes gorgeous. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You know what? Drugstore just keeps getting better and better. It's crazy. Today I'm gonna be trying out new drugstore launches for this year and some that I've already tried, and they're my favorite best picks of the year so far. I got some requests to do drugstore and immediately had to do this video for you guys because I found some gems, hidden, uncut gems. I am so excited for you guys to try these. I'll let you know which one is worth your money and what you can just completely ignore. If you want to see what's new at the drugstore, what's good, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. I can't snap. Okay, this foundation, you guys, is from a Korean makeup brand. It's called TFit, and you can get it on YesStyle or Amazon. It's only $15. I love the applicator because you can just apply it to your face. I love these. I know you're not supposed to touch your face, but I don't care. I just love putting it on, and the coverage is really nice. It's like a radiant serum foundation, so it's gonna give you that healthy glow. I'm wearing the shade Nude. I'm just gonna blend this in with the Huda Beauty face brush. I've been using this one a lot lately. I really like how it applies the foundation fast. Ooh. Not in the hair. It gives you a dewy glow, but it also makes your skin just look flawless. This in with my beauty sponge. I think I've been getting a little bit more sun. Just the forehead is turning tan. Not the rest of the face, but just the forehead. So I don't know, I need to put more SPF in that area. I just did a shoot for something I'm coming out with very soon with my brand. And I was the palest model because my skin has not seen sunlight. I can either go super pale or I can get pretty tan. So, but it's, you know, not the summertime. But it's so funny because parts of my face will be more tan than other parts of my face. It's just very uneven. But do you see the finish on this foundation? It is so nice. Only $15. It's gonna make your skin, if you have dry skin, if you have dehydrated, dry, patchy, this is going to look so beautiful, so natural. If you just want your skin overall to look even and healthy, this is a good one. It's not at the drugstore, but again, you can get it on Amazon or on YesStyle. If you like Korean products like me, you can go there and get a bunch more stuff. But yeah, this one is a good one. Okay, these hard candy luminizers just came in yesterday. They're very, very new and they're vitamin enriched. You're supposed to be able to mix them in with your foundation or use them as a highlight. It looks like this. I'll swatch it for you guys so you can see. This is Golden Glow. Ooh, it's very lightweight. I'm gonna swatch Rosy Glow next to it. Ooh, that's very natural. And then we have Bronzy Glow, which is going to be a little too dark for me. So I'm gonna do Rosy Glow. I like how it looks a little bit more natural and toned down. This one seems like it's more for a medium skin tone. I'm on the light, fair, light, medium. I don't know. I'm gonna just put a little bit here. Put a little on the nose. We're gonna underglow with this, hoping it doesn't separate my makeup. That's the only problem with some of these luminizers. They tend to separate your makeup, but this one feels very like the lightest gel you could ever imagine is what it feels like. I'm actually gonna take it under my eyes. This is a hack. If you have dark under eye circles, take your luminizer underneath your eyes. It will help brighten up that entire area. And this is looking really, really good. I really like the way this looks. Okay, this is looking really good. I'm gonna do a little bit on the chin. I'm surprised because hard candy is not my favorite makeup drugstore affordable makeup brand because the quality has never been there for me. But this is really nice. It didn't break apart my makeup. It looks really healthy and glowy. Gorgeous. I love this. Oh my god, you guys, I think I found a new favorite from the drugstore. I'm so excited about this. I need to know how much it is. $9, you guys. If you're looking for a new glow in a tube, I'm gonna say this actually performs a bit better than some of the higher end luminizers. So this is a good one. It's only $9, you guys. I would get it. Okay, I've never had much luck with a good cream contour from the drugstore, but one just came out from Physicians Formula and it is called Mineral Wear Diamond Bronzer. It's in the shade Deep Bronze Gem. This is the shade they gave me in PR, so it's the only one I have to try. I went blank for a second, but I'm just gonna put my brush that I always use. This one's from Zoeva. It's pretty old. It's called the 146 Concealer Perfector, but I don't even know if they have this anymore. And ooh, that is a true bronzer. It is very warm. We are definitely gonna be bronze, but if this is their deep, I wonder how many shades do they have, because I wouldn't have this as the darkest shade because it's a little bit bright orange. I need to check that right now. I have to know. Okay, there's 2 shades, bronze gem and then deep bronze gem, which is this color right here. Ooh, I don't know if that's very friendly for all skin tones. Always a hit or miss. I don't know why no one from the drugstore has created an amazing cream contour yet, but this one is $16.99. What? On the website, but on Target, at Target it's $13.49. I don't know, let's see if it's even worth it. I do like the way it glides. I do love the texture. I love the packaging and everything about the way it looks in the packaging. It's just a little orange. I might have the wrong shade. I might need a little bit of a lighter shade, but I don't even know what that looks like. Honestly, I don't know if I'd use this again just because of the shade. I like to have a little bit of depth. This is a little too, oh my God, if you guys saw my first video, my first video back of 2025, it's on my channel trailer. My hands were orange, like, cause I wanted to look tan for you guys, like nice and healthy and glowy, and it got all over my hand. That's what this is looking like, but let's see how it blends. Maybe I'm judging it too quick. It actually doesn't look that bad, but on initial application, it definitely feels very orange. Blend this into the nose. You know what? This does give a nice overall glow. Once you blend it in, it's not so crazy. You let me know in the comments what you think. I'm taking off my eyebrows, you guys. It's a nice bronze. Would I use it again? I don't know. For the blushes, there's 2 that came out. This one has a really high rating. I looked it up, but I haven't tried it yet. But I really like this idea because this is from Catrice. This one is Rimmel. I think I'm gonna go with this one though because I love that it's a 2-in-1. It has a cream and a powder. I love the shades. I think I'm gonna go with, let's go with pink since I'm very pink today. It's called Blush Affair. I haven't opened it yet. Very new, so we're trying this one out together. This is the shade Pleasing Pink. Okay, I'm excited for this one. This is only $7. You can get it on Catrice's website or you can get it on Amazon. Pigmentation is there for sure. That's pretty. Oh my God, I love that. $7, and you don't have to buy a powder to go on top of it because it already has one built in. So convenient. Simplifying my life is what I love. I really like this, and I like that you can travel with it. It's small, it's portable. The pigmentation is beautiful. That is so pretty. I love this color. I found a new blush. Half of my brow is missing, but it's okay because I'm gonna do it later. I'm gonna focus on the eyes. So there's 2 new palettes that I caught my eye. This one's from Rimmel. I love that it's neutral, it's cool tone, it's giving winter. But then NYX has their warm neutrals, and I love these shades. Like, I can never not love a warm neutral palette. You know what? I'm gonna use both of them. Honestly, you guys, I don't really use a lot of eyeshadow these days. I use very minimal shadow. Oh my God, I can't open this. But if you are looking for a shadow that you need to use neutral colors like these, I already know this is gonna be good. Their quality is just great, like everything about it. This one, I'm not really sure. So we're really gonna test this one out. We're gonna go ahead and pop on a crease shade. I'm gonna do Rimmel. This is called Nude Edition, in case you guys are wondering what the palette name is. I'm gonna go into this shade over here. It's matte, it's like a mauve-y color, and we're gonna pop that into the crease and see where we go, because I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do with my eyes today. Not bad, not bad at all. The eyeshadow is showing up, it's blending nicely. It's very buildable, I'm gonna say that. I'm gonna take it on the lower lash line. It's not something I'd gravitate towards. I'm gonna take a little bit on my lower lash line too, just like the outer lower part of the eye to create some depth there. I need a little bit more pigment though, so I'm gonna go into the NYX palette, and I'm hoping that it does give me more pigment. Not that this one's bad, but I just know that this one might be a little bit more lively. So I'm gonna go into this shade right here to balance out that cool tone. We're gonna go into a warm tone. Pop it in right around the socket. Okay, we're doing a totally different color. The pigmentation, do you see like right off the back? It's almost like butter. It's pigmented, it's vibrant. You don't have to play around with it too much. It gives you what you need right away. I've always liked the NYX shadows. I think they're a good buy. And this color just looks a little bit better on my skin tone, but having that background is always nice. I like dimension, so using more than one color has always been my favorite. I'm actually gonna put a little bit of this one on the lower part of the lash as well. I'm not gonna bring it in as much. So like that. I don't even wanna go back into Rimmel after using this, to be honest with you. Just because these are a little more, they're harder, and this is soft and creamy even though it's a powder. So I'm gonna continue with this palette, but I'm gonna take this creamy shade. I love a good creamy shade on the lid, and we're gonna prep it for a shimmer. Let's see what their shimmers are looking like. I did a holiday video using some of the NYX shadows and they were just so stunning. Do a little bit under the brow bone, and don't worry, I'm gonna bring back my eyebrow at some point before this video ends. It'll look put together, trust me. For the inner corner, I'm just gonna pop in to this shimmer right here. Ooh, I'm gonna mix in this rosy color since I have a lot of pink going on. And this shadow has some warmth in it. Ooh, that is a stunner. Just as I thought it would be, it is so beautiful. Now I'm gonna really dip into this color right here and pop it on the center of my lid where I put that cream color. I love this on the inner corner on the eyelid. It's like not my favorite, but it's good. Ooh, this is so pigmented. NYX won this little challenge here between the palettes. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna put my eyebrows back on and I'll be right back. Brows are back. I added a little bit on my upper lash line of that shade and then some concealer so I look a little bit brighter. And to keep in the spirit, affordable drugstore, this is a good one. It's not new, but I just wanted to let you guys know. Now, when it comes to the lashes, I have already tried and love. So 3 mascaras came out and I've already tried all of them. So I know which one's good. This one's super everyday, lightweight. I used it in my last video because it's such an everyday. It just looks like your lashes are naturally longer and it feels like you're not wearing anything. I'm not gonna say that it's my favorite. I'm gonna try it on again because I've tried it before. But these two I haven't tried on camera with you guys. So I'm gonna do the L'Oreal Paradise Big Deal. This is the wand. The L'Oreal Paradise regular is so amazing. So I have really high hopes for this one. I put it on these lashes. I'm gonna go in closer just so you could really see. This is really close. It's up to you, baby. There's still Chipotle chicken in there still from last night. Mama life. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back and forth and you can see, I like the brush on this. It grabs the lashes and pulls them into place. The mascara isn't too wet, which I love, and really lengthening, but also giving volume. Before, after. Okay, now let's put on before, after, okay. Let's put on the other one. This one is from Essence. I love all of Essence mascaras. I think they do a great job, but let's go ahead and try this one out. This is the shade Ultra Black, and this is what the wand looks like. In comparison, I don't know why the Essence wand just looks a little bit more juicier with the spokes, the spikes. The spikes are very spiky. This one doesn't give off as much product at one time like the other one, making it a little cleaner on the lash, but it's still doing, oh, that is lengthening. This is why I always love Essence mascaras. They never do me wrong. I really love them. This is the Essence and this is L'Oreal Paradise. And I'll put the prices right next to my head so you guys can see the difference, and you just let me know which one you would choose. Okay, I kind of love that we're this close. I don't know if you guys mind, but I really like it because I'm also going to test out these lashes, and they're from Kiss. Love Kiss. They always have good stuff. And I like that they come in a whole set, and this is the style Wide Slacks. Very, very pretty. I love a piecey, wispy, natural lash. I'm not gonna lie to you, 30 years later, I finally got my lashes on because they're so thin that you can see every little piece of mascara that's crumbled. So I guess that's the only thing about the Essence one, that it can kind of crumble and transfer, but it does give you volume. So I did apply some more back onto the lash, but I had to reapply them because they just looked horrible at first. But I love them. Look at them. They're very pretty. Like I would wear them again. I just have to be careful on how I apply them with my mascara. I'm so excited that I have these Buttermelt bronzers from NYX. So pretty. But I'm gonna just, ooh, these smell amazing. What do they smell like? It's a light medium neutral and it's perfect, and she smells gorgeous. I don't know what she smells like, but she smells really good, and It applies so easy. It blends into the skin, soft, creamy, just everything from NYX gets 5 stars for me right now. 10 out of 10. Okay, last but definitely not least are the lips. So for the lip liner, it's NYX again. If you've tried the NYX lip liners, they're good. They're nice colors, but this particular line, the Line Loud, is so pigmented. This is the shade Magic Maker. Oh my god, it's so pigmented. Let me show you one of their old ones so you could see. So this is NYX, but it's like the old packaging, or maybe it's like a different line. This one. It's just not as pigmented, and probably the color is a little bit lighter. But these are insanely pigmented, creamy. Hold on, I'm trying to talk. Let me not talk for like a second. Super creamy, pigmented. I absolutely love this. These are so amazing. If you haven't tried them, please pick them up. I'm not gonna blend this in because I've just been liking how this looks lately. Just unblended lip liner, I don't know. It's a phase, I don't know. But this one is from Essence. It's called Extreme Shine Volume, and it's in the shade Power of Nude. I hadn't tried this at all, so. I do like the applicator. Oh, it's like kind of curved. It's fluffy, and I'm liking the color. Kind of balances the warmth out from this lip liner. Okay, that is a perfect combination. I also would give this a 10 out of 10. It's not sticky, it feels soft on the lips, and it's also really, really shiny like it says. And it's a perfect color. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun, and if you tried anything in this video, please let me know in the comments. Or if you found something new that I didn't talk about, please let us know. Before I let you go, I always leave you with an empowering message for the rest of the week, and this week is make quiet moments for yourself, because your mental health is so important. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. If you haven't seen these videos here, if they didn't pop up by the time I talk about them, these videos will pop up. But if you haven't seen these videos, make sure to check them out so you can stay updated, and subscribe to my channel so we can be besties and hang out every single week, talk about new makeup things, and be a part of the Dom fam. That's pretty much it. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.